Beats.
Well, I would prefer hands, so I don't have to.
Okay, just hands, huh?
Both hands.
Everyone came to see you. Babe, how do you feel?
I feel special because I have a whole audience on this side.
Beats.
She's saying you're a very beautiful wife, basically.
You are very nice.
I didn't even know. I thought she just likes to sit on the ground.
Beats. Beats.
If I ask you Bawoni, how do you answer? Or the other one, the other one. It's